What's up everybody, it's El from Gigo Production Group. Welcome to today's video, installation of columns and pillars. Are you ready?
Use the
Let's
concrete for
go.
the front pillar, that the porch, the little porch that will come in front of the kitchen for this. So behind it will be the staircase to the room. These are the pipes that have been fixed. These pipes are going right up to the roofing to carry the wastewater, the roofing water out. You see that some houses will have those pipes on on the surface of the wall, but we want ours embedded in the building, so they will not see it. Nobody will see it. This is a corner inside. This, because it's a bigger, because of the pipes, the pillar is become big. So we have to increase the board. Like I said, some of the boards will be joined for us to be able to get the required measurement. These ones are closed from outside. We're waiting for the steel bender to come and put the rod in for him to close it. This is also one of the corners that have been set up. This one too, the steel bender will have to fix the rod before they board it. These ones are divided for joints and things like that. These pillars will be round. This, and this. And then the front one will be round. This side is joint. So you can see that the little block work here will give us problems. So we are using the concrete to get that place formed, extended a little. So we will still have our measurement for the window. This is the corners. There's another corner that they are working on. But for now, this place is too closed. This is the pillar. Another one. The rest have this block inside. This one too is done. So at least we'll see how far we go by the end of the day. How many of the pillars will be finished so that we can do the casting. This is an individual pillar that is going to carry the floor and then become a bathroom for the other bedroom. It will become the bathroom for it. This access is only for the ground floor. We will not have that access at the top again. This corridor, it will end here. The top will have a window. It will not be a door again. So this is the corridor. This is the porch. Like we said, this is the kitchen this is the bedroom for the second apartment, and it has a small porch behind it for relaxation or something. Yes. At least this one too, you see the pipes up. I bought the medicine for the green grass too, so you can spray it for it to die by itself. And this place is done. We are waiting for the servant to come and fix the rod for them to close it up. Okay. Setting the scarf has to stand on. So the carpenter putting his board, closing the gaps for the concrete. This is the isolated pillar, round pillar at the back that will be carrying the bathroom at the top. This is the scarf, the stand on which we stand. This is the concrete being mixed. I pay my dear. We ekosha teaching bra. This is the concrete. The columns are now being cast. This is the round pillars. We are working on it now. We are casting them. It's plastic, so it's easier to fix and easier to set up. Even after casting, you can reset it. There's the round. You can see that the other one is not set yet because we haven't fixed it. We haven't put the concrete in it yet, but we will set it up before putting the concrete in it. Yes. After it's set, this is how it is. It's plumbed correctly on all sides. This is also plumbed correctly on all sides. The third one is not plumbed yet, but it's fixed. It's not plumbed yet. And then the last one too is plumbed and fixed at its final position.
Please don't forget to like this video, share and comment your thoughts about it. I will see you at the decking stage. Let's do it.